signing is involved today. The new Sevilla signing, Eric Lamela, now attacking from right to left in this first half. Israel, it's on this season with the star of Euro 20, unable to prevent the corner as well. The list of absentees long for Paris. A loan deal made permanent in the shape of Danilo Pereira. And here goes Hakimi for the first time. Ball inside. Bono coming up big for Sevilla. Chances at both ends. Doesn't work compared to Paris Saint-Germain. Goalkeeper joining from Eibar. One goal. Morocco international. Again set up by Draxler. And again he had plenty of time and space. Navas. Jesus Navas goes again. Form well, so he feels the club captain will take the throw in him, sitting in trouble, but Sevilla unable to capitalise. Getting that one wrong. Feelings. (20-year-old) France under 20 gets away from the number 14 Rodriguez. 4 on aggregate. Over on the left side. 33 years of it. Kick getting it away from Draxler that time. This is keep his effort down either. Dijon in the French top flight last season. Dijon. It was Jose Angel who was across. The substitute Ortiz, and what a pass it was. Costa Rican. It's two big penalty shootouts at the 2014 World Cup. Navas made some big penalty saves. Not this time though. Rakitic. So Donnarumma welcomed the extra competition. Kurzawa, the former Monaco left back, conceding the free kick. We're into the second minute of injury time in this first break. At the break then, Paris Saint-Germain 0, Sevilla 1. So